Today I'm going to share with you guys one of my favorite brow products. This is my go-to drugstore eyebrow product that is literally only $3. So the product is from e.l.f., which if you've followed me for a long time, you know that e.l.f. is one of my favorite drugstore brands, and it is their Instant Brow Lift Pencil. So, whoop, I just dropped it. So it comes with a spoolie on one side, and then the product is on the other. Here is what it looks like. I have this in the shade, let's see, what's deep brown, which is my go-to with like my kind of ashy brown hair. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just brush my eyebrows with the spoolie. I'm gonna actually bring my mirror over here. So for the front of my eyebrow, I'm just gonna try to do this so you guys can see. I like to keep it pretty light. And right now my brows, I do have them a bit fuller. So I'm mostly just going in here and filling in a lot of the sparse areas. I'm gonna kind of give myself a little tail because of over tweezing when I was in middle school. So as you guys can see, I don't really do like a ton with my brows, but here's a filled in brow, not filled in. Okay, so the last step, I'm going to go back in with the spoolie and just kind of brush the product through my brows. Okay, so to finish off the brows, you could definitely set with a brow gel. Lately, I have just been kind of going with just using this brow product and not adding anything else. So like I said, this product is $3 at the drugstore. You can get it at like Ulta, Target, Walmart, places like that.